What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the video. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today I'm here with the 2024 BMW X2 M35i, and I am here at the IMPA Spring Break 2024 drive event, and I've had the opportunity to drive a lot of cars today that I haven't driven before, so I'm really having a good time out here today. This one in particular has been on my list of cars I've wanted to drive. We got these really nice 21-inch two-tone wheels with red brake calipers, blacked out mirrors with LED turn signal indicators. We've gone back to this kind of old school door handle, but there's nothing wrong with that. This is one of those SUV coupes that's rounded in the back. I'm actually a fan of them. I like the way they look. We got this really aggressive diffuser down here and this nice quad exhaust. Tail lights are looking sharp. And overall, it's just a very handsome design. And just check out that M Sport kidney grille. Like, this thing looks menacing. Really nice stitched leatherette and suede on the door. It's a really nice looking Harman Kardon audio system speaker grille. But this being an X2, it is on the lower end for BMW cars, so you are gonna get some hard touch materials towards the bottom. But with that aside, this is a very nice interior. And of course, we have this beautiful BMW M steering wheel with the red accent in the center and the red and blue stitching. Nice horn button, really thick bolstering. This is a very thick steering wheel, feels very solid. And let me stop yapping and let's get on the road. This is a very well insulated cabin. Aside from just your engine note, you're not hearing anything else coming from outside. The steering has, I think, the perfect weight to it. Not too heavy, not too light. Let's give it a push. Definitely a bit of lag at the start there. Now acceleration when you put your foot down. You do have to wait for the RPMs to get up a little bit before you really feel the launch, but once you do, it launches. Now when you put this thing in sport mode, the suspension definitely tightens up a bit. The RPMs get held higher for that throttle input. Oh yeah. And paired with that are very good brakes. The feeling of this throttle, it puts you really in tune with what the car is doing. It's very nimble, handles these corners very well. No body roll. And it's pretty good at eating up all the bumps in the road. And the thing that's good is that this transmission does allow the engine to be able to get the revs up instead of just shifting too quickly. But this is a very responsive transmission and engine pairing. Now this X2 has a nice Harman Kardon audio system, so on the way back down the mountain, we're gonna take a listen as we drive. So if you've watched some of my other videos from this event that I've already posted, you'll know that I only had 20 minutes with this car. Can't really get too in depth. This is my first time driving, so this is really just a quick first impression. If you enjoyed this video, please share with a friend and subscribe. It'll really help the channel grow. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let me know down in the comments what other vehicles you want to see on the channel next, and be sure to follow @OpticalAutomotive on TikTok and Instagram, and check out the page on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.